Hello, dear friends. Shikshaka Akangshigale. So, as you know that we have started Mission GPSTR 2021. So, this is the ninth lecture we are going to discuss. So, in this YouTube channel, you are going to get free of a video on GPSTR syllabus for physics, mathematics, chemistry, and biology. So, this is the ninth lectures where we are going to discuss about the properties of magnet. ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು properties of magnet, because every time they are going to ask you the questions from this topic. So we'll discuss in a very easy way. So first of all, the first important point, magnets can attract some metal. Okay, so see, as you know that magnet is nothing but, when you are a small kid, at that time also you have played, you have taken some pieces of iron and you have kept magnet near that. So at that time you think it will attract. Okay, so this is think what you have practically done in your earlier age. Now we have to be study exactly why it has happened. So magnet can attract some metals, okay, as you know, like iron, nickel, cobalt, so many things, so many metals it is going to attract. So the material magnet do not attract. Okay, some of the material magnet do not attract, like wood, books, copper, brass, plastic, rubber, etc. Now the important point, the substance which are attracted by magnets are called magnetic substance. See, like this type of questions they are going to ask you, what are magnetic substance. That time you have to be answered, the substance which are attracted by magnet are called magnetic substance. For example, you can take iron, steel, cobalt. Now the second important thing, the substance the magnet does not attract, that is called as non-magnetic substance. Okay, so here I have not written, but non-magnetic substance means the substance with magnet which will not attract. For example, here is that wood, books, copper, okay, brass, plastics, rubber. Now the second important thing, next property is magnet has two poles. Okay, so remember, magnet which has two poles, one is north pole and another one is south pole. So when you bring north pole each other, it will get repel. So like in the charge, okay, when you bring two charges of same kind, positive and positive charge, when you bring near, what happen, it will get repel. If you bring positive and negative charge, what happen, it will get attract. So like that in magnet also, when you bring north and north poles together, it will get repel. If you bring north and south pole together, it will attract. Okay, so magnet has two poles. So the directivity is the important properties of magnetic. Poles of magnet are located near the end. Okay, the magnetic poles are located at the edges, okay, the end of the magnet. Now the attracting power of a magnet is maximum at two end. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಆ ಪೀಸ್ದು ಎಂಡ್, ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ north to south direction. Okay, you can take a bar, one magnetic bar, you just you can check that the freely suspended. Okay, so magnet always point in north to south direction. And the last important and most probably we are expecting this question in each exam, when we are going to heat the magnet, it loses its magnetic property. It's very important. Okay, sometimes they'll ask you that what happened when magnet heated, they will give you the four options. So at that time what we have to be select the option, it loses its magnetic property. Okay, I hope you have understand the concept. You can take the screenshot of this. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and follow us and share as much as possible to all the GPSTR aspirants. Thank you, dear friends.